5 easy English phrases for ordering food. Let's see what are these. But before that, you need not get worried about ordering food in English anymore. Don't be. Here are 5 super easy phrases that will help you order confidently in any restaurant. Let's have a look. Phrase 1. Can I see the menu, please? Use this as soon as you sit down. It's a polite way to ask for the menu if it's not already on the table. Phrase 2. I'd like to order followed by the dish name. Simple and clear. Just fill in the dish you want. For example, I'd like to order veg momos. Phrase 3. Could you recommend something popular? Perfect if you're not sure what to choose. The server will suggest their most loved dishes. Phrase 4. Can I get some water, please? Whether still or sparkling, this phrase always works. It's polite and commonly used. Phrase 5. May I have the bill, please? Use this when you're ready to pay. In some places, they may call it the check. Conclusion. Let's have a look. Try these 5 phrases the next time you visit a restaurant and tell me how it goes. You'll sound confident, natural, and totally ready to order in English. Happy learning! I'll see you in the next.